Hey, what's going on, everyone? Vega here for SerpentX Tech, and in this video, I want to go over a couple things regarding Jellyfish Miner, the JellyMiner.com website. On one, making sure you guys are following the procedure to, deposit funds into your wallet, because if you don't do it right, you're just going to lose the funds. There is a help section in their Discord, but we're going to go through that process one more time. We're going to upgrade our power on our miner, and I just want to show you the capabilities of this thing. Now, Jellyfish Coin is a Solana-based token that Brandon Coin and his team has come up with, and they are virtualizing hardware to help you win blocks. You can see I won a block on March 12th at 16:10 hours. Now, you can buy more hardware. There are some restrictions in place, and you can only do so much so quickly. But I think this is really cool, and the ecosystem is just getting started. They got different things here like roadmap, white paper, news and updates, and they even give you tutorials on how to play. I would recommend going through all of these together, all at once. Take your time, read what you're doing. Now, if we go to the dashboard, we can see what our current jelly, balance is. Our current hash rate, 1.8 kilohash, and our power usage. But we have a limit of 1,000 watts, so we're hitting the max. So I can't overclock much more than that right now. My chance of hitting a block, though, is only 0.2, very, very low compared to others. And there's more and more miners coming online every second. So don't wait, and make sure to claim your 1,000 free jelly over the next 48 hours. How do we claim that? Well, first off, if I click on free jelly, you can see I could get 10 jelly, one per day, every 24 hours. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Click the faucet, hit the claim button, and boom, we got 10 more jelly in our wallet, and we can come back again tomorrow to do it. Secondly, to claim the jelly that I'm giving you, thanks to Brandon Coin and the Jellyfish Coin team, when you click on wallet, go down to the bottom where it says redeem code and type in SERPENT with no X, just SERPENT, and hit redeem. I can't do it because I already redeemed it. But when you hit redeem, you're going to see that your balance increases by 1,000. Make a note of what that is. Now, you can chat with other jellyfishers or jelly miners via the global chat, but I would challenge you to check out their Discord. It's really cool, great community, be a part of it. Let's talk about my power. Right now I got 3 devices. I got a Phenom 2 X3, a Phenom 2 X4, and a Celeron processor, equaling about 1.8 kilohash. I would like more than that, but more importantly, because we can overclock these things, and I showed you this in a previous video, I would like to do it, right? So right now they're overclock as far as clock speed, but once I start to increase my overclock via voltage, I start to hit power limits. Warning, this will exceed your power capacity, so I cannot do that. How do I increase my power capacity? Well, if we go to our farm, click on power, you can see down here, we can improve our power rate. I already went from basic to improved, 1,000 watts. And now I can go to advanced because I have the 15,000 jelly needed. That's going to cost 15,000 jelly, but I'm going to go up to 2,000 watts. And if you look, there are other unlocks in the future. I do have a recommendation for the team. I don't think that the 5,000 watt capacity and the 25,000 watt for enterprise should unlock at the same time or same date. But again, I helped out with this project in the very, very, very beginning and contributed very minute amounts. But this team is absolutely killing it, and it is up to them to make that decision. For now, we're just going to click on upgrade, and we just upgraded our power from 1,000 watts to 2,000 watts. So not only will I be able to go back to the mining shop, which is also another place, right? There's all kinds of great stuff here. Your room, this is pretty cool, right? Got my desk, got my monitor. You can see my different miners right here, the hash rates, if it's active or not. Got my jellyfish poster. And I could even do different stuff. Decor, if I want to add a plant, add a wall. Like this is great. This is fun little things and utility for the Solana token that I haven't seen anywhere else yet. So good job. In the power analytics section, you can see your current draw, daily cost. This is costing me right now 0.24 jelly a day. Now, if you do the math on that, that can add up over time, especially if you have higher hash rate. But while Jellyfish Coin has popped off in the past and since retraced, it is not as significant as it would have been during its all-time high. And it recently made that all-time high. So there's a chance that the project could go even higher, but always trade responsibly. And when you utilize or play around with various tokens, meme tokens, non-utility tokens, or utility tokens, just understand your risk tolerance when messing around. However, this is an ecosystem that I, again, have not seen from anybody else. The only other thing that comes close is when we covered Mineable on the channel a long time ago, but that was based on Ethereum, and the cost and the fees ate us alive. And I don't know what happened to that project. I think it's still around, but I think it's pretty much has died off. And the owner of Mineable, not Jellyfish Coin, but the team of Mineable, or at least the owner of Mineable, was able to manipulate. He was able to dump the token or pump the token, and not by much, but that's still too much control for my liking for a decentralized ecosystem. Whereas Jellyfish Coin, the team has no control other than they can buy back their own token, and they communicate that effectively on their Discord. Anyways, moving back to the miner shop, we can buy another miner, right? So nerd miner 1 hash 5 watts, 2 hash 6 watts for a 2. So I'm going to go down, and I'm probably going to spend and get another X4. But we also could do maybe like a Pentium Extreme, 2 core, 4 threads, 305 hashes at 130 watts. But maybe we'll do both. Let's see here. Do we have the power to do both? That's the question. So let's go ahead and purchase this miner. Got it. Okay. And let's see here. Do I really want the Pentium Extreme 500, 630 hashes? You know what? Screw it. Just for S&Gs, let's do it. Boom. So now if I go to your farm, hardware, right now they're both off. So let's turn them on. We got to make sure we have the power headroom to do so. Last time I was trying to turn it on, and I only had 1,000 watts, or what was it? The lower tier, the basic tier power, which is only 500 watts, and I couldn't turn them on. So pay attention to that. We're going to hit the switch. Boom. Boom. And now let's do a little bit of overclocking. Bearing in mind, it costs us more jelly to run these miners a day. So there's a balancing act you want to do here. But we're going to overclock the clocks for now. Maybe push the voltage up to 120. Save settings. All right, same thing for this guy, the new Pentium. We're going to boost the clocks. Maybe go up to 120. Nope, we're over capacity there. So let's drop that down to 110. Save settings. Can we push this Phenom a little bit harder? Nope. All right. What about this other one over here? Yep, we could push that a little bit. Save settings. And let's check out this Celeron. Can we boost that to 120? 120, 125. All right, so 120 it is. Save settings. And now you can see we're basically at our limit, right? So that's going to push our hash rate up to 3.3 kilohash instead of 1.8 kilohash. And we got all our miners here. Somebody just found a block at time of recording. Cryptid Youth, I think. And you can see we just improved our chances only from 0.2 to 0.34. So not a lot. But you're spending jelly. You can pool mine instead of solo mine. If we go to pools, you can see that I'm on a solo adventure. And I haven't hit a block in the past 48 hours. I only did it on the 12th, and I haven't hit a block since. Maybe I'll hit one, maybe I won't. We don't know. But in order for me to join a pool, which you can see the number of blocks found by pool, 54, luck chance, pool chance, so on and so forth, we have to leave our solo pool and then switch to another pool in order to do so. I would love to create my own. In order to create a pool, I need 50,000 jelly. You cannot create a pool while you're in a pool. Now, I do have 50,000 jelly that I could probably spend. If I did, community, you, the viewer, would you join me on my pool? Because that's 50,000 jelly I'm spending on my own money. And I already spent enough with Coochie Coin, Demo Cats, and even Cats of Crypto, and a little bit in Jellyfish, trying to help out the projects that I've been involved in or been the creator of. So if you're going to do it, if you're going to tell me to do it, I hope that you will participate and help out in some form or fashion. And maybe we'll do a video about the pool creation process. But let me know down in the comment section below. Again, just to recap, if you're going to deposit something, pay attention. If you do 100 jelly and you click get my deposit, you're not going to send 100 jelly to this wallet. Instead, you're going to send 99.999 or whatever it might be. I can't deposit because I already hit my daily limit of 25,000 jelly per day. So type in the number that you're estimating you will send, hit get my deposit, and they will give you a number, and that's the amount of jelly you need to send. If you send anything more than that, anything less than that, it will not work. And now you're stuck. You either lose the funds or you have to create a help ticket, and it's just going to cause more trouble than it's worth. Just read the directions and go through it bit by bit. Once you get that number and you send the funds, you're going to go to your Soul Scan and copy the signature of the transaction. Copy, and then at the very bottom, it will ask for you to paste that signature of the transaction. You hit verify, and you have the funds. It is very simple, but you got to read the instructions. However, that's going to do it for today's video. We increased the power. I'm reiterating. Oh, fully electric just hit a block. Damn, fully electric. That's every time I log on here, you're hitting blocks, bro. Good job. But you can pool mine, you can solo mine. Come join the community. Again, this is something I have not seen a Solana token utilize, or any Solana token implement something similar to this. It's beautiful. I love it. It's intuitive. It's interesting. It's something to tinker around with. I am thoroughly impressed. Good luck to you hashing away wherever you are. And yeah, sign up via the referral code down below. And don't forget to claim your free 1000 jelly with coupon code SERPENT. All right. Take care of yourselves. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you later.